Hello everybody and welcome back to Boom Trainspots. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today we're at Basingstoke for part 4. This is the Southwestern Main Line, and the date today is the 23rd of June. It's a Tuesday, and the time is 2:10 in the afternoon. We'll be seeing services from Southwestern Railway, some cross-country, and hopefully some freight. My last video, which was Wednesday's video, you saw there was a class 159 in platform 2 and a Freightliner with a ton of intermodal carriages going through on platform 4. So that was a nice ending. Up the main line is Waterloo, that's where Festival Place is, and down the main line towards Southampton and Portsmouth and all of the other places trains go from this station. I think that's all I have to do for the intro. Oh yeah, I'm not on the gimbal again today because it's very hot. It's about 25 degrees as I showed in my last video, and I didn't want to carry the weight of the gimbal, so you're on the Gorilla Pod today. And in case you see what you do see, that stuff there, it's focused on it, that's fur from another dead cat, because I had to buy 2 dead cats, because Road haven't fixed the wind problem yet, which is really annoying, so I have to have 2 dead cats to stop all the wind, but hopefully it stopped all the wind, and let's get on with the show. Can you hear that person whistling? It's echoing. And that's the departure board for those of you who are interested. That's platform 2's and that's platform 3's. I just hold my nose for a second. It's really funny when it says maintain social, or wear a covering and social. Just social.
Please allow others to leave the train before boarding. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
So it's going to Farnborough Main, Woking, Clapham Junction and Waterloo. I got a chocolate lime in my mouth. Ooh, that was 4 doors at once. That was nice. Oh, what is going on with those doors? They're closed, then opened, then closed again. Very weird. quite interesting to go over points, the way they kind of curve.
Please allow others to leave the train before boarding.
Wow, that's got like gravel or something in. We have another freight in the space of about 5 minutes. That's a brilliant thing with Basingstoke, that you don't have to wait between trains. Go very slowly though. The lady said, "The next train on platform 4 does not stop here. Please step back from the platform edge." But it's going too slow to need to step back really, isn't it? But oh well. Can't tell what it's got yet. What is that? It's making a nice noise though. Oh, weird things. Oh, are they like grainers or something? Is he stopping? Oh, he is stopping. What are they? They must be like grainers. Oh, the lift door's just opened. Must be doing a crew change here. Well, the lady was wrong. It is stopping here. It did stop. Goodness me. The weight that track must be feeling now is crazy. I mean, I bet those grainers are pretty heavy. And the GWR service is just surfacing over there from under the bridge. Very, very long train. Wow, listen to that. And those containers, whatever they are very quiet.
Platform 3, 4 berth 14, 35.
Oh no, it's going to get covered up by another train. Oh wait, no it's not. No, it's not.
This train has 10 carriages. Some stations have short back. If you are back at Clapham Junction, you will leave the travel in the front of the carriages of the train. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
That stops quite abruptly, didn't it? there go the grainers or whatever they were. Hey. That was it. Ta-da! The GWR is back. Yeah. That's about it from me for today. This is my train. I'm going to catch it back to Winchfield in a bit. If I see any other trains, then I might film them, but yeah. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay alert.
Psst, boom. Boom. Hi, Boom.